So we have just arrived at Vanko's home. We in Varna. We just arrived to his home. I think he said his grandmother lives here too. So he's gonna get his dog because I'm gonna be staying with him. He's gonna go get his dog. He wants me to get used to meeting with his dog. Is your grandmother?
Yes.
How you doing? How you doing?
Приятно мне.
Ryan.
She said she's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Look at this guy.
Ами аз ще взема там на тях и във фурната я бани.
Добре.
Ще им взема по едно парче.
Добре.
Айде, приятен ден.
I think you're good.
I'm good?
Yeah.
You think so?
Yeah.
So Vanko, this is what we eating at, right?
Yeah.
Do I need to grab my bags or we grab them later?
You can
So
grab
Vanko wanted me to get used to his dog before I came inside the house. That's his guard dog. But yeah, man, this is your guard.
Go ahead.
This is your garden, Vanko? Okay.
The neighbors.
All right, let's go.
You can go. You can go. Oh, yeah. Oh, he's good. He wanna play now.
He want to play? He's mad now?
Yeah.
This is where I will be staying for the week. I am here. It's a nice kitchen. Nice kitchen. It's a nice home. Beautiful home. There's a dog that he said I was supposed to be scared of. All right, Blanca, what did you say this was?
Banica.
It's what?
Banica with cheese.
Baneta with cheese.
Yeah.
So this is what me and Vanko going to eat for breakfast. He said it's made with cheese. So I'm definitely going to try it out. Let's see.
It's not only with cheese, you know Turkish baklava?
Turkish baklava? Yeah.
Yeah, it's like this
It's good.
something like this. I don't know. I have to check translation.
Vanko, I don't think this is just cheese.
What?
It's got egg in it too.
Oh yeah. Egg. You eat eggs?
Yeah, I eat eggs, man. It's actually really good.
Don't drink water from the sink.
It's like an egg with cheese. I think the cheese is like the casing. Like egg fried with cheese. After we finish eating, Banco showed me the room I will be staying in. And so, as you can see, this is one of the rooms. Of course, he had to give me the room with pink in it. But yeah, this is the bed. Nice. I think this is like a queen size bed. It's a nice cozy room. We got all the cabinets. Then you come out here on the balcony. It's like a nice area where you got the washer, the dryer. Then you can also see outside. See outside. So we decided to take a walk to the gas station. We're gonna go to the store. Is this a store right here, Franco? Oh, this is the store right here. Walking down the street. I guess it's yard day today. Thanks,
vlogging.
man.
Oh my god, go
Yeah.
for it, guys.
Thank you. So we just got to the grocery store. So I wanted something to drink. I wanted something cold.
There you go.
Man, by the way, that dude had good English. I just noticed that.
I don't think he was Bulgarian.
You don't think he was? Okay. I just processed that. Like, man, his English was good. So, I want a juice.
Juice.
Yeah, like a juice. I'm gonna try this orange juice out. Let's see. Let's see what other snacks. Let's see what else they have here. This is the meat section. What is this? This is pork?
Yeah. They should be chicken actually, but
Chicken?
I don't think they chicken. Usually it's chicken, not pork. I bet.
And this is the ground beef and pork and chicken. This is the hot sauce?
Yeah.
What is that, $3.35? It's Bulgarian level, right?
Yeah, I never tried those ones. The one I
You don't eat hot sauce?
don't have it here.
This is probably like my favorite, this is my favorite, European chocolate right here.
Milka.
I like this. But I want to try something different. What's a good chocolate, Vanko?
I have one at home that maybe you will like.
Which one? Nah, but what's one
They
that's
don't have
it?
it here.
So out of all
It's
these,
Milka, but
what's a good chocolate?
I don't know.
They say that the best chocolate comes from Europe.
I think Lindt
I
is
used
the
to-
best.
I used to-
Lindt
I used-
should be the best. Maybe this one with pistachio should taste
Pistachios.
good. Yeah. If you like pistachio.
I like
it
pistachios,
should
but I ain't
be
never
good.
had pistachios inside my chocolate. I don't know. Right now,
It's
we'll
a
give
good
that
combination.
a pass right now, Vanko.
It's up to you.
You know you like weird things.
Bro, I just got good taste.
You got good taste.
Yeah, nothing like it.
I wonder why they got the Tic Tacs next to the chocolate. I don't know. I never tried this one. This is like
I never tried it. I don't know.
this one look like it might be good. I'm gonna try this. How do you say this?
It's in English.
That's not English, man.
Lock me.
Like me?
Yeah.
Lock me?
But it's not Bulgarian as well.
That's not Bulgarian?
No.
Milk filling cocoa flavor. I'm gonna try this. I wanna
Look, this is in Bulgarian. Different letters.
Okay,
the
let's try
alphabet.
let's try Bulgarian too. I'm gonna try this one.
Bro, I don't know if it's Bulgarian. Better don't try this. I don't suggest you this.
Let's see. Is there another Bulgarian chocolate over here?
No.
Okay, let's try this one. Since it's in Bulgarian, we'll try this one out. How you say this?
Accent.
Accent?
Yeah.
How you say it?
Accent.
Acc-
Accent.
Accent. Oh,
Accent is like accent, but
you
accent.
saying you reading this part right here?
Yeah, this one. This says natural chocolate. It's natural and chocolate.
Okay.
Natural chocolate.
Okay. So we're gonna try these out right here. Then we got the orange juice.